Hey everyone, welcome to another Dennis Kirk Tech Tip. Today we're going to talk to you about tightening spokes. Really easy. We have a spoke torque wrench. You don't have to have a torque wrench, you can use a traditional wrench. Torque wrench kind of takes the guesswork out of it. This one is set to 42 inch-pounds. Dennis Kirk sells a very excellent kit made by Excel. Comes with a torque wrench and 6 different heads to fit all the different size spokes, and it costs under 150 bucks. But I'm going to show you this. So since this bike has been ridden and washed multiple times, chances are that the spoke nipples and spoke threads are a little bit oxidized. So what you need to do is take some penetrant lube, like this excellent stuff from Maxima MPPL. Depending on how thrashed your wheels are, you might want to do this the night before and let it sit. But I always start at the valve stem. But on an older bike, you might want to just give a little shot of MPPL in the threads to loosen them up. Obviously, you don't want to make a mess, so we'll clean this up real quick. But here's the key: you don't want to start at a spoke and go every spoke. That will pull the wheel one direction or the other. So the key is to make sure you have the right spoke wrench bit on there that fits snugly on the spoke. That's not going to round it off when you tighten it. Okay, in this instance, this spoke is tight. The torque wrench is giving way. So you want to go to every fourth spoke. So from the one you tighten, count 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the next one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What I'll do here is do 3 laps around the wheel. 1, 2, 3. So it's about maybe 1/8 of a turn I'm getting out of each spoke before the spoke wrench signals that the proper torque is there. The ones you need to keep an eye on are the ones around your rim lock right here. So 1, 2, 3, I'm back to the starting point. So then I go to the next spoke and work around a lap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm back here at the start, right? So I'll start again on the third one. 1, 2, 3. Once I've done 3 laps around, I like to do just a little quick check. Probably not all the way to the torque wrench gives way, but going around the wheel, hitting each spoke in concession. So there you go. 3 laps. Now I'll probably hit every spoke real quick to make sure. If your wheels make a kind of a screeching sound as you're tightening it, that means there's oxidation built up in there. And that's definitely when you want to get the penetrant lube between the spoke nipple and the spoke threads. But pretty simple actually. Checking your spokes is something that you should do before every ride. A lot of us are guilty of not doing that, but it's a quick and easy way to ensure you get the longest life out of your wheels. So thanks for checking out this week's Dennis Kirk Tech Tip, and be sure to check out the Excel spoke wrench, torque wrench kit on DennisKirk.com.